quiet. Yowling. Malachi is quiet. Ruth is yowling. Malachi, everyone knows who's the big mouth. Let's start reading. Whispering is quiet. Screaming is yowling. Crayons are quiet. Pots and pans are yowling. Fishes are quiet. Doggies are yowling. Thinking is quiet. Singing is yowling. Snow is quiet. Rainstorms are yelled. Swoopers are quiet. Mommy shoes are yelling. Sniffles are quiet. Sneezes are yelled. Toddlers are quiet. Monkeys are yelled. Ruth, they are talking about you. Malachi. Birds are quiet. Airplanes are yelled. Libraries are quiet. Playgrounds are yelled. Nap time is quiet. Playtime is yelled. More quiet things. Pillow, bunny, plant, ant, cloud, snail, teddy bear. More yelled things. Drums, horn, rooster, fire drum, bar, tea kettle, alarm clock. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!